Hello, guys. Welcome back with the puzzle. We have two puzzles in the puzzle page, not in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 27th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday. Saturday, February the 25th, 2023. Two puzzles are left here. The 2 star Sudoku and the binary with 2 stars, 10 by 10. Yeah, but first let me solve this one. Yes, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and this will be number 6034. Yeah, 6034. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. So, if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, actually it's a 1 star. 1 star has 27, 2 stars has 26, 3 stars has 25, and 4 stars 24. I don't know if this is really a 2 stars. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the row below, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Okay. Alright. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here 6 in the second column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in these 3 marks. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Well, here can be an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, or there in this row. Here, or there. You see another 8 in this row column, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. 8, okay. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 9, 9. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the last row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Overlook this 9. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Alright. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column and only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 last row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9, alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. Need to think. 4 and 7, okay. Well. How about the 5? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, 2, 4, 2, 4, 7 could be everywhere. 2, 4, 7, the 5. Need a 5 here. 5, 7, and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. Here 5 in this column. No 5 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in that row, so the row between. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, okay. 5. 5. Oh, well. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need an 8. 4, 8, 7. Yeah. 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, or there. 4 in one of those 3 boxes in the last column. 4 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the 1 and 2, the 3 and 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 and 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Here 1 box left in this row for number The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 7 and the 2 is missing. 7 and 2. Alright, 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Right. 1 box left in this row, the last row for number, I believe the 7 again. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, we have a 7 now in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are not used. 1 box left in this big square for number 7, I believe, yeah. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Right. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 now in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you. Should be a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Alright. Definitely a 1 star. Not the 2 stars. I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The binary. Also with 2 stars, 10 by 10. See you then. Bye bye for now.